Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to make $50 over and over again guys. You can do nothing, just install on one app and get paid $50 per month guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, so what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how you can make $50 over and over again guys, and you can do nothing guys, and it's like a passive income guys, and it's available worldwide guys, no matter where are you from, and it's legitimate way to make money guys. Before any further ado, let's dive into this video guys. Before dive into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel guys, where you can find awesome media about make money online, Instagram tips, YouTube tips, and finance idea guys. If you don't subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below guys. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video guys. The website and apps we're gonna see to make passive income guys, it's called Fluid Stock Provider guys. You go to fluidstock dot provider.fluidstock.io guys. I leave a link below, click the link and go to this website guys, and this is the website guys. You can make $50 per month guys. Rent us your desktop and earn up to $50 per month guys. You can do nothing guys, just install an one app and leave it aside your computer guys, and it's automatically make you money guys. You can do nothing or you can do whatever you want to do guys. If you have an idle computer, you can easily get guys. And what this company mean guys, this companies aggregate your computer into a distributed cloud guys. There is no piracy anything guys, there is almost legitimate way to guys, and this company is not take any of your personal information guys. And this company distributed cloud, accelerating content delivery, scientific research guys. And this company takes upload speed of your internet guys. If you had high speed internet connection with idle computer, you can make good amount of money with this guys, even more $50 per month guys. It's easy way to make money guys. It's like a passive income guys. Just to put app in your computer and make some good amount of side hustle guys. You can do nothing guys. It's recurring income is come over and over again guys, and let's see how it's work guys. And you can earn up to $50 per month. Turn your idle desktop guys, as I told you earlier, into useful cloud service guys, and earning depending on your internet speed guys. I show how it's work guys and what to learn for this guys. And no performance impact guys. If you install this app, some people may ask, if I install this app, this may lead to hangs of the system or stuck in the browser. It's not happening anything like that guys, because it's no performance impact. You can do whatever you want to do. Before you can do, just install the app on your computer guys, then only you can make some good amount of money inside way guys. You can make some $50 guys. It's not any big money, just a $50, just a side hustle, just a passive income guys, just a $50 a month. Who wants money guys? Just install this app guys. Everyone wants money. Just install the apps on computer and get paid guys. It's easy guys. And this company sells a cool cloud service guys, as I told you earlier. It's cloud services guys, and this is how it's work guys. Come to this website. I don't explain guys. It's a simple method, you can get paid guys, and this is how much you can earn guys. And this company guaranteed payment between $5 to $50 per month guys. Easily you can do nothing guys, get paid $50 up to $50 per month guys. If you have 100 mbps speed, you can get paid $10 guys, as I told you earlier. It's depending on internet speed guys. If you had high internet speed, you can get paid high money guys. If you had a 200 mbps, you can get paid $20 guys. It's basically 10 mbps means $1 guys per month guys. You can easily get paid. Everybody has an internet connection in home, you can easily get paid guys. If you have a idle computer, just install the app and get paid guys. And if you are ready to start guys, click apply to join guys. So automatically take you to this registered page. Simple guys, just a first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password guys. So just to register, and they will send you confirmation email, confirm, and they will give you a software guys. Just install a software on a computer and ready to go guys. The software make you money to over and over again guys. And I show the review and proof guys. People are making good amount of money guys, and this is the review guys. This man made almost a $9 within 6 days guys. It's easy guys, because he has 322 mbps guys. Just easy money, guys. If you had a good internet connection or speed internet connection, you can get paid good amount of money, guys. Some come to this website, guys, trustpilot.com, or search it on Google, guys. Fluid stock provider review, guys. There is tons of review. People are making good amount of money, guys, with side hustle, guys, just with the idle computer, guys. Come to this website. There is almost a 5-star, guys. People say, as I told you, guys, people are making good amount of money, and install in it app few minutes worked for me without problem. Got $33 in first month, guys. Easy money, guys. Just think, guys, $33 in first month. The site is laid, you can do nothing, guys. Just install, like I said, just install and get paid, guys. And if you don't know how to find your internet speed, and I show you, guys, just to go to Google, just to go to fast.com, guys. This is the internet speed checker, guys, and my internet speed is 86 mbps, guys. And it may lead to go up and down, guys. It may go 100 mbps or 200 mbps, guys, or it may go below 100 mbps, guys. It's depending on upload speed, guys. If you have good upload speed, you can get paid tons of money, this, guys. For now, I have 86 mbps speed, guys. This is my internet speed. If I install my app, I go to install, guys. I will install, and I get paid $8.6 per month, guys. I don't do nothing, guys, but I get paid $8.6 per month. It's easy money, guys. Everybody wants a passive income. This is the best passive income, guys, and this is new method. I think don't everybody don't speak about this, guys. I don't know why. This is a good opportunity. You can make money, guys. I found you this website for you. You can make some good amount of money with this, guys. Come out to provide.fluidstock.io, guys. This domain is weird. I leave a link below, guys, and go sign up this account and get paid your passive income, guys. Just easy as you think. Just to install and get paid, guys. Can make $50 over and over again, guys, just for doing nothing, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make some passive income. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.